Formaldehyde 37% solution, commonly referred to as formalin, is a potent, aqueous form of formaldehyde gas, stabilized with a small amount of methanol to prevent polymerization. This versatile chemical plays a central role across numerous industrial, laboratory, and commercial sectors due to its strong reactivity and exceptional ability to cross-link with organic molecules, particularly proteins. In the field of resin production, formaldehyde 37% is indispensable in the synthesis of urea-formaldehyde, phenol-formaldehyde, and melamine-formaldehyde resins, which are widely used in the manufacture of particle board, MDF, laminates, and coatings. Its chemical stability, high purity, and cost-effectiveness make it a preferred choice for large-scale production environments. Additionally, in the textile and paper industries, formaldehyde-based compounds are crucial for crease resistance and improving wet strength properties. Its function as a chemical intermediate extends into pharmaceutical synthesis, agricultural chemical formulations, and specialty polymers, where formaldehyde contributes to molecular structure modification, preservation, and enhancement of chemical performance. Beyond industrial manufacturing, formaldehyde 37% also plays a vital role in sanitation, disinfection, and biological preservation. In laboratories and medical environments, it is used as a fixative and disinfectant due to its powerful antimicrobial and tissue-stabilizing properties, making it essential in histology, pathology, and embalming processes. By cross-linking proteins and DNA, it effectively halts enzymatic activity and microbial decay, preserving biological tissues for long-term analysis. Formalin-based disinfectants are employed in livestock facilities, hatcheries, and surgical equipment sterilization due to their efficacy against bacteria, fungi, and viruses. In environmental applications, formaldehyde is utilized in wastewater treatment to neutralize contaminants, and in fumigation protocols for pest and disease control. Despite its wide-ranging uses, handling formaldehyde 37% requires strict adherence to safety protocols, including adequate ventilation and personal protective equipment, due to its volatile and potentially harmful nature upon inhalation or prolonged exposure. As regulatory guidelines continue to evolve globally, formaldehyde remains a foundational chemical, demonstrating unmatched utility and adaptability in both traditional and emerging applications.